This is too high, but Mommy's gonna try to.
Guys, if you want to put this on ridiculous, let's do this.
Okay. Daddy's coming. Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! You can do it! Come on, Jack! Root for Daddy! No, no, don't help! Don't help!
Ah!
Just let him go. Yes! Woohoo!
My turn.
Jack's turn. Jack's turn. You have to put him up.
That's it.
Oh, wait, wait, be careful.
Finally.
Right, now Daddy's gonna put you up.
Holy guacamole.
Holy guacamole!
Guys,
Hold that
never
tight.
try this at home.
Hold that tight. Go!
Okay, bye. I'll just sit down.
Yay!
Mommy Pan! I'm little Mommy Pan!
Okay.
Put it on ridiculousness! Ridiculousness. Put it on ridiculousness. On fantastic gymnastic! Fantastic gymnastic! Fantastic gymnastic! Come on, fantastic gymnastic!
Oh, look at the leg work.
Oh, look at the leg work! Fantastic gymnastic! Come on!
Yeah!
Oh, good.
Good job!
It's so cool. I made it. Come on, Jack. Ok. Este é o Gaio, que eu creio que é da onde saiu o nome do parque. Bosque dos Gaios. Aí, ó, Gaio. What is this one?
Like you need to balance. I want to try this one.
Cuidado que tem alguma coisa.
See?
Yeah? I'll say, okay, so let's skip this one.
No, I don't want to do this one.
Jack, excuse me, Papa. It's okay, what you doing? I don't think it's like that.
Guys, this is the right way.
Okay, Daddy will do it. Just keep walking. With your arms.
Fine, I wanna
My
try
turn, my
that.
turn.
No,
Okay,
no, no, my turn,
Jack's
my
turn. Vai,
Vai,
Daddy-
oh. Okay, so here.
Não, não. Do outro lado pra cá. Okay? Now, out of the way.
It was like only to walk.
Okay, go. No, no, no. No, no.
Não, você vai cair, vai cair, vem.
Only use your arms. Okay, my turn.
Like this, guys.
Tá filmando já.
Ok.
Tá, filho.
And
Can you
I don't
hold
want
this
to
for
do it too strong because I don't want to hit my leg
me?
again.
You're right.
Voila! Come on, mommy! I'm mommy prime! I'm mommy prime!
Licença.
Woohoo! Look at those helper legs.
Do something.
Do something, girl!
It's not easy. No. Oh, boy, that's hard.
Aqui é alface, né? Não,
No,
couve.
it's kale. É. Olha, ouch, 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 ouch. Another scarecrow. So cute.
Why out, mommy?
Aqui é tomate, kale, cebolinha e ali não sei.
Where's the lettuce?
Sorria.
Tô ser filmado.
Eu gosto,
Passa.
eu gosto de segurar. Guys,
E essa roxa aqui? Essa vermelha.
I don't
maybe
know.
it'll be purple lettuce.
Purple
Guys, we
lettuce.
skipped something there. Look.
Não assusta ele, filho.
Quack, quack. Well, what is it? Guys, this is not real rock. Did you know that?
Careful.
This is actually a blanket.
Isso é semente.
No, it's not. It's soft. Yeah.
Okay, guys, look at this beautiful duck.
Ah, isso é borracha.
Hi, little duck.
Hello, Mr. Duck. Hello, Mr. Duck.
If you guys watch Mickey Mouse and you like Donald Duck, we found a real duck. Get it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get a little rock.
No, don't throw rocks, Jack.
Okay, I
Okay, yeah.
I was only
Yeah.
just going to put it wrong. Let's put it. This part is actually dirty, you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, if you guys wanted to see Mickey Mouse for on real life, just find a real life rat or mouse. Just find the mouse because that's Mickey Mouse. And look, guys, a waterfall. A little waterfall. Wow, this is beautiful. Right? Not so beautiful. Guys, look, there's mosquitoes.
É.
That's easy. Very good. Ah, aí é mais difícil.
Cuidado. Cuidado.
Okay.
What? Say it again. Push-ups.
Good enough, right? 10.
No, you got two.
No.
Não, chega a 10.
Ah!
Ó,
My turn.
look at the muscles.
Never ever step on this ant home. Okay? Never step on an ant home. Or they'll kill you. With billions of ants. Or more. This is the spookiest. Guys, be careful. Hold your horses. Be careful, guys. Look. Jump. Guys, over here, poop.
These are the sketchy stairs.
Oh, there's something
I found another
hidden.
obstacle.
Yeah. There's one hidden here.
Found another obstacle. Here. What is this thing?
Ah,
Oh, that's for the abs.
yeah, banco de abdominais.
Aqui, ó.
Vem aqui, prima.
Isso é pra fazer quê?
Isso mesmo.
Põe o seu pé ali. Isso. Now lay down.
What?
Lay down.
What?
Go lay down.
completely. Okay?
That is a tree house, a bird house.
Okay, now reach your feet with your hands. Again, lay down. Okay.
Cuidado.
Go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Yeah, that's a dead box. Where is it? Yeah, right there. Bye guys. If you liked this video of Bosque dos Gaios, subscribe this video. And if you love Jack Prime, just never stop watching Jack Prime if you love it. Goodbye, and
And don't forget to
subscribe.
and give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to give us a like. Bye.
Bye.